Officials expect a tense scene in a Florida courtroom this morning as murder suspect George Zimmerman tries to get out on bail. The parents of Trayvon Martin, the teenager he shot and killed, will be at that hearing. Mark Strassmann is at the courthouse this morning in Sanford, Florida. Mark, good morning.
Good morning, Erica. For George Zimmerman, this morning's hearing will involve a series of firsts. His first chance at bond, his first look at his new judge, and his first confrontation with the two people who want him most to stay behind bars.
Later this morning, the 28-year-old Zimmerman will come face-to-face for the first time with Tracy Martin and Sabrina Fulton, Trayvon Martin's parents. They believe he murdered their son in cold blood. Zimmerman claims it was self-defense.
If there's injury...
And Mark O'Meara, his new lawyer, will ask a Florida judge to free Zimmerman on bond, pending his murder trial.
We can say to the judge that in this particular case, he deserves a bond. I don't think that he needs to or should stay in jail while this case is pending. You know, I want him out and safe, and I'm not sure where safe is going to be yet.
Zimmerman, behind bars since his arrest 9 days ago, has asked for a private meeting with the teenager's parents. He has never communicated with them before. And Benjamin Crump, their lawyer, said yesterday it won't happen now and maybe never.
We believe Zimmerman's request at this time is very self-serving some 50 days later, the day before his bond hearing.
Under Florida law, Zimmerman, charged with second-degree murder, is ineligible for bond. But this hearing will allow O'Meara to test the state's case. And Special Prosecutor Angela Corey must show proof that Zimmerman's guilt is evident and his presumed guilt is great, a very high standard, or Circuit Judge Kenneth Lester can grant bond.
Make the case for him. Why does he deserve bond?
Bond is there to make sure the person comes back to trial. Bond is not there for pretrial punishment. So he should be out on bond. He's going to come back. There's no question about that. Quite honestly, if George Zimmerman was going to run, probably would have happened in the past several weeks.
O'Meara will also point out Zimmerman has ties to the local community. In fact, his parents will phone in on his behalf. He has never been convicted of a crime and has been cooperative with police, staying in daily contact before his arrest and turning himself in after murder charges were filed last week. Special Prosecutor Corey could decide, rather than lay out her case, not to challenge the bond request. And Zimmerman, facing a possible life sentence, could walk free as soon as later today.
If Zimmerman is freed, he could be restricted to this local community and may have to wear a GPS ankle monitor. His safety is also a genuine worry, and Charlie and Erica, police will not be responsible for keeping him safe.
Mark, thank you.